Bowling Green, Kentucky is a vibrant city that offers a rich blend of history, natural beauty, and family-friendly fun. Known for its iconic attractions, the city is home to the National Corvette Museum, Lost River Cave, and Beech Bend Park. Each of these destinations provides unique experiences that cater to a variety of interests, making Bowling Green a perfect getaway for families, car enthusiasts, and adventure seekers alike. So, here is the list of 10 best things to do in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and comment your favorite place. Here we go. Number 1. National Corvette Museum. The National Corvette Museum is a must-visit for anyone interested in American automotive history. Opened in 1994, the museum celebrates the legacy of the Chevrolet Corvette, showcasing over 80 Corvettes from various eras. Visitors can explore interactive exhibits that delve into the history and culture surrounding this iconic sports car. Visitor experience. Duration. Plan to spend at least 3 hours exploring the museum. Highlights: interactive exhibits, Corvette Simulator for virtual test drives, and Corvette Row for new owners to pick up their cars. Admission. Prices typically range around $15 for adults, with discounts for seniors and children. The museum also hosts rotating exhibits and events throughout the year, making each visit unique. Whether you're a die-hard car enthusiast or simply curious about American automotive culture, the National Corvette Museum promises an engaging experience. Number 2. Beech Bend Park. A family favorite in Bowling Green is Beech Bend Park, which combines amusement park rides with water park fun. This destination is perfect for families looking to enjoy a day filled with excitement and laughter. The park features a variety of rides suitable for all ages, including roller coasters, kiddie rides, and water attractions like wave pools and lazy rivers. Visitor experience. Attractions. The park includes over 30 rides, games, and entertainment options. Additionally, Beech Bend has a drag strip for racing enthusiasts. Admission. Ticket prices range from $35 to $45, with discounts available for children under 2 years old and military personnel. Seasonal events. Beech Bend often hosts special events during holidays and summer months that enhance the visitor experience. The park's combination of thrilling rides and water attractions makes it an excellent choice for families looking to spend quality time together in a fun-filled environment. Number 3. Lost River Cave. For those seeking adventure in nature, Lost River Cave offers a captivating underground experience. This natural wonder features one of Kentucky's most famous caves and is known for its stunning boat tours along an underground river. The cave's rich history includes use as a hideout during Prohibition and as a dance hall in the early 20th century. Visitor experience. Tours. Guided boat tours take visitors through the cave's enchanting passages while providing insights into its geological formations and historical significance. Activities. Beyond cave tours, visitors can enjoy hiking trails above ground that meander through beautiful landscapes filled with springs and natural geological wonders. Admission. Tours are approximately $22 per person. Lost River Cave also features an outdoor play area for children and shaded walking trails that make it suitable for families. The combination of adventure and education makes it an ideal stop for visitors of all ages. Number 4. Historic Rail Park and Train Museum. The Historic Rail Park and Train Museum is a treasure trove for history buffs and train enthusiasts alike. Housed in the former Land End Depot, this museum showcases the significance of railroads in the development of Bowling Green and the broader region. The museum features an impressive collection of restored railroad cars and locomotives, allowing visitors to step back in time and experience the golden age of rail travel. Visitor experience. Exhibits. The museum features several exhibits detailing the history of railroads in Kentucky, including artifacts, photographs, and interactive displays. Notable pieces include vintage locomotives and passenger cars that visitors can explore. Guided tours. Knowledgeable guides lead tours that provide fascinating insights into the history of the railways and their impact on local communities. These tours typically last about an hour. Special events. The museum hosts various events throughout the year, including themed train rides and educational programs for children. Admission. Entry fees are generally around $10 for adults, with discounts available for seniors and children. The museum also offers family packages to encourage group visits. The Historic Rail Park and Train Museum not only educates visitors about the past, but also highlights the importance of railroads in shaping modern transportation. Number 5. Aviation Heritage Park. Located on Three Springs Road, Aviation Heritage Park is dedicated to honoring the contributions of regional aviators to American aviation history. Established in 2005, this park features a collection of military aircraft and exhibits celebrating local heroes who have made significant impacts in air and space travel. Visitor experience. Aircraft collection. The park showcases several aircraft, including a McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom II, which has a storied history linked to Brigadier General Dan Cherry, a local pilot who famously shot down a North Vietnamese MiG-21 during the Vietnam War. Other notable aircraft include a T-38 Talon and a UH-1 Huey helicopter. Museum building. In September 2023, an 11,000-square-foot museum building opened to enhance visitor experiences with more exhibits and educational opportunities related to aviation history. Events. The park hosts annual events such as Open Cockpit Day, where visitors can explore the interiors of various aircraft. This event is free and provides a unique opportunity to interact with aviation enthusiasts and veterans. Admission. Both the park and museum are free to enter, making it an accessible destination for families and individuals interested in aviation. Aviation Heritage Park serves as a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made by aviators while providing an engaging environment for learning about aviation history. Number 6. NCM Motorsports Park. For motorsport enthusiasts, NCM Motorsports Park is an exhilarating destination that offers a unique blend of racing experiences and automotive education. Opened in 2014, this state-of-the-art facility is adjacent to the National Corvette Museum and serves as a premier venue for motorsports events. Visitor experience. Racing events. The park hosts a variety of racing events throughout the year, including club racing days, track days for enthusiasts looking to test their vehicles, and professional racing competitions. Driving experiences. Visitors can participate in driving experiences that allow them to get behind the wheel of high-performance vehicles on the track. These experiences cater to all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned drivers. Facility tours. Guided tours of the facility provide insights into its design and operations. Visitors can learn about track safety measures, vehicle technology, and the history of motorsports in America. Admission. Prices vary depending on events or driving experiences, but typically range from $50 for general admission during events to higher fees for specialized driving experiences. NCM Motorsports Park not only offers thrilling racing experiences, but also fosters a community of motorsport enthusiasts who share a passion for high-performance vehicles. Number 7. Russell Sims Aquatic Center. The Russell Sims Aquatic Center is a premier destination for families looking to enjoy a fun-filled day in the water. This facility is designed to cater to visitors of all ages, making it an ideal summer getaway. With its tropical atmosphere and various water features, the Aquatic Center promises an exciting experience for everyone. Visitor experience. Water attractions. The center boasts a zero-depth entry pool, perfect for young children and those who prefer a gradual entrance into the water. The splash playground includes interactive elements like water buckets and lemon drops, ensuring endless fun for kids. Additionally, the facility features a 50-meter pool equipped with 2 thrilling water slides and 2 diving boards for those seeking a bit more excitement. Amenities. Visitors can enjoy a beautiful beach area that enhances the tropical vibe of the center. A full-service concession stand is available on-site, offering a variety of snacks and refreshments to keep everyone energized throughout the day. Safety measures. The Aquatic Center prioritizes safety, staffed with American Red Cross certified lifeguards who ensure a secure environment for all guests. Seasonal operation. The Russell Sims Aquatic Center operates primarily during the summer months, making it essential to check their schedule before planning your visit. Although it may be closed during certain seasons, it remains one of the top attractions when open. This aquatic center is not just a place to swim. It's a community hub where families can create lasting memories while enjoying the sun and water. Number 8. Fountain Square Park. Located in the heart of Bowling Green, Fountain Square Park is an urban oasis that combines natural beauty with historical significance. This park serves as a gathering place for locals and tourists alike, offering a serene environment amidst the bustling city. Visitor experience. Scenic beauty. The centerpiece of Fountain Square Park is its stunning fountain, which provides a picturesque backdrop for photos and relaxation. The park is beautifully landscaped with trees, flowers, and benches that invite visitors to sit back and enjoy their surroundings. Community events. Fountain Square Park often hosts various community events throughout the year, including concerts, festivals, and farmers markets. These events foster a sense of community and provide opportunities for visitors to engage with local culture. Historical significance. The park is steeped in history, featuring monuments and plaques that commemorate significant events and figures from Bowling Green's past. Visitors can learn about the city's heritage while strolling through this charming green space. Fountain Square Park is an excellent spot for families looking to enjoy a leisurely day outdoors, or for couples seeking a romantic setting. Whether you're picnicking on the grass or attending one of the many events held here, this park offers something for everyone. Number 9. Riverview at Hobson Grove. For those interested in history and architecture, Riverview at Hobson Grove is an unmissable attraction in Bowling Green. This historic home offers guided tours that provide insights into 19th century life in Kentucky while showcasing stunning architectural details. Visitor experience. Guided tours. Riverview at Hobson Grove offers guided tours led by knowledgeable staff who share stories about the home's history, its original owners, and life during the Victorian era. Tours typically last around an hour and provide an intimate look into the past. Architectural features. The house itself is an architectural gem featuring Italianate design elements such as ornate woodwork, large windows, and beautiful gardens that enhance its charm. Visitors can admire both the interior decor and exterior landscaping during their visit. Special events. Throughout the year, Riverview hosts various events such as historical reenactments, seasonal celebrations, and educational programs aimed at engaging visitors of all ages. Admission. The cost of admission is generally around $5 per person, making it an affordable option for families looking to explore local history. Riverview at Hobson Grove serves as both an educational resource and a beautiful venue for special events. Its rich history, combined with stunning architecture, makes it a must-see destination in Bowling Green. Number 10. Kentucky Museum. The Kentucky Museum, located on the campus of Western Kentucky University, is a cultural gem that offers insights into the state's history, art, and heritage. Opened in 1990, the museum serves as a hub for educational programs and community engagement while providing a platform for local artists and historians. Visitor experience. Exhibits. The museum features a diverse range of exhibits that highlight various aspects of Kentucky's history and culture. Permanent exhibits include artifacts from Native American history, Civil War memorabilia, and displays focusing on the state's folk traditions. Special exhibitions often showcase contemporary art and historical themes relevant to Kentucky's past. Educational programs. The Kentucky Museum is committed to education, offering programs for all ages. Guided tours can be arranged for groups, providing an in-depth look at specific exhibits or themes. Workshops and lectures are frequently held to engage the community in discussions about Kentucky's history and culture. Free admission. One of the most appealing aspects of the Kentucky Museum is its free admission policy, made possible through generous donations from supporters. This accessibility encourages families and individuals to explore the museum without financial barriers. Special events. The museum hosts various events throughout the year, including art fairs, historical reenactments, and seasonal celebrations. These events foster community involvement and provide opportunities for visitors to engage with local culture. The Kentucky Museum is not just a place to view artifacts. It is a vibrant community space where history comes alive through interactive experiences and educational opportunities. The last word. So guys, this was the best list of things to do in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Hope you will like it and appreciate it. People who come to this city are amazed by all of the awesome things there are to do and see. Bowling Green's attractions, National Corvette Museum, Lost River Cave, and Beech Bend Park offer diverse experiences that highlight the city's unique character. Whether you're exploring automotive history, venturing into underground caves, or enjoying thrilling rides at an amusement park, Bowling Green provides memorable activities that cater to all interests. As you plan your visit to this charming southern city, consider these top 3 attractions as essential stops on your itinerary. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icons for latest upcoming travel videos. Bye-bye, see you.